make it bussin'. This is Welcome Dishes, and I'm gonna make some fried honey sriracha chicken. This is part 1 of the video. If you want to jump to just making the sauce, you can go ahead and go watch part 2. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put these wings in a bowl. I'm gonna put some mustard on them. I put the Cajun seasoning on there. I got some garlic powder, some onion powder. And I'm gonna take all of that seasoning that I love, especially some pepper, and I'm just gonna rub it down. I even put a little bit of oil in my hands, just because I found that the oil was helping the seasoning mate with the chicken and it gives it a better taste. I use that same method with oil whether I'm cooking steak, fish, or whatever meat that I'm cooking. I use a small amount of like olive oil or something, and I just give it a good rub. In this, I'm making sure that 4 pieces that I'm getting both sides and I'm getting the ends, because sometimes I have clients that they like to suck on chicken wings, so I'm making sure like flavors all over the chicken wing. So in the next step, I'm gonna put an egg in here. Sometimes I may use 2 eggs, but this time I just use 1 egg. The reason I'm gonna rub it down with an egg, because when I go to put this in the flour, because I'm making deep fried honey sriracha chicken, when I put it in the flour, I want that flour to actually stick. So the egg is just acting as a paste. I'm gonna put some more garlic powder in it, because I'll tell you, when I took home Meg, I had my teacher to tell me that, hey, you can never go wrong with garlic. And so I have some Cajun seasoning on here, and I'm just gonna rub it in with the egg. When I'm satisfied with the egg, I go ahead and prepare my flour. And I meant what I said, y'all. Like, we gotta prepare this flour. I've changed my gloves a few times. I've washed my hands a few times at this point. You're going to prepare this flour. So the flour itself is gonna have that Cajun seasoning. It is gonna have garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm just going to whisk this together. Now I want to whisk it together because I'm going to make sure that all the seasoning is blended all over, because when you actually go to dump the chicken, you're just going to be like turning it, flipping it and folding it and flipping it and folding it, like you'll see. So you want to make sure that flour, when you whisk it, is whisked up real good so the seasoning is all over. So here I am. So I'm just showing you that, hey, if you don't want to touch your chicken with your hand, especially don't want to get flour all over you, you do have kitchen tools that are helpful. Otherwise, if I wasn't making this video, I probably would have just used my hand and went ahead and started frying it. As you can see, I'm just taking this and putting it in the pan and letting it do its thing. But I'm making sure that flour is over all edges so I could toss it, turn it, and I could pick up flour and dump it. I mean, if you don't want to put it in a bowl, you're welcome to put it in a paper bag or a plastic bag. It's really up to you. If there's something that you guys prefer, be sure to comment below. So again, I'm just frying it until it's all even. One thing I will say is you want to make sure that the chicken actually cooks all the way through. So if you're seeing blood seep through your chicken as you're frying it, that means it's not done. You just flip it and you turn it until your chicken's done and you have that beautiful look just like this. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.